Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're a makeup artist, content creator, or beauty enthusiast looking for the perfect mirror to elevate your daily routine, you're in the right place. Today, we're taking a close look at the Beauty Ring Light, an all-in-one makeup mirror and ring light, co-created with the renowned Makeup by Mario Dedivanovic. It's designed for anyone who wants to enhance their makeup application, video content, or even just get a clearer, more accurate reflection. Let's dive in and see how well this product performs. The Beauty Ring Light offers an intuitive and sleek design that combines both a ring light and a mirror, making it a versatile tool for a variety of users. It comes with 5 brightness settings and 3 color modes, ranging from daylight to candlelight, giving you the flexibility to apply makeup in different lighting environments. It also features a built-in smartphone holder that can be adjusted to hold your phone both vertically and horizontally, ideal for content creation, vlogging, or even teleconferencing. The light is powered by signature light diffusion technology, delivering 10x the brightness of typical makeup mirrors, which promises a clear and true-to-color reflection. The mirror itself is a 9-inch distortion-free reversible mirror with 1x and 5x magnification options. When it comes to using this mirror in real-world scenarios, I found that it really delivers on its promises. Setting up the mirror was simple and straightforward. The 5 brightness levels were a game changer, especially when switching from bright daylight to a softer candlelight setting. This versatility made it incredibly useful for various lighting conditions, whether I'm applying makeup for a video tutorial or adjusting my makeup during a dimly lit evening event. The built-in smartphone holder is also a nice touch for those who want to capture their process for social media or tutorials without having to constantly readjust their setup. However, I did find the mirror a bit bulky for travel, so it's definitely more suited for home use or studio environments. The Beauty Ring Light definitely shines in terms of lighting. The light diffusion technology is impressive. It really does mimic daylight, which helped me achieve a flawless first even makeup application without the dreaded demarcation lines. On the downside, the mirror's magnification feature, while useful, is a bit too strong for my liking when using the 5x magnification setting, making it harder to get a true sense of my overall look from a distance. Now let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the build quality is solid. The mirror is durable, and the lighting system is top-notch. It's definitely brighter and clearer than most other makeup mirrors I've used, providing a professional-level experience at home. The versatility of the product, especially with its adjustable phone holder, is also a big plus for creators and influencers. The 9-inch mirror size is another standout feature, providing ample space for makeup application. On the flip side, the size and weight of the unit might make it less ideal for portability, especially for those who need something compact to carry around. As for value for money, this product sits in the higher end category. However, given the quality of the light diffusion, the design expertise behind it, and the inclusion of features like the phone holder and multiple brightness color settings, the price is justified for professionals or serious content creators who need a reliable, high-quality tool. For casual users, there might be more affordable options that still perform well for basic makeup application, though they may not offer the same level of precision in lighting and magnification. When compared to other similar products on the market, the Beauty Ring Light definitely stands out in terms of lighting quality. Many makeup mirrors offer adjustable brightness, but the clarity and brightness of this model are superior. Its professional collaboration with well-known names in the beauty industry also sets it apart from more generic products. However, if you're not a professional or a content creator, the additional features might feel unnecessary, and you might find more basic models that get the job done for a fraction of the price. In terms of build quality, the Beauty Ring Light is sturdy with a high-end feel that reflects its professional-grade design. It feels like it's made to last, and with proper care, it should hold up well over time. I haven't experienced any issues that would affect long-term use, but given its stationary design, I'd expect it to last for years with proper handling. Though I haven't had to contact customer service, the brand's reputation precedes it. Developed by industry experts, Elios has garnered attention for its innovation in lighting and makeup application tools. Based on their track record, I would expect solid support should the need arise. If you're looking for a more affordable alternative, there are certainly ring lights and mirrors available, but they might not offer the same level of refinement in lighting quality. Brands like Neewer and Ringlight offer some budget-friendly options that still provide good lighting and decent magnification, but they lack the high-quality diffusion technology of the Beauty ring light. To wrap up, the Beauty ring light is a fantastic option for professionals or serious beauty content creators who need precise, high-quality lighting. It performs exceptionally well in providing clear, even lighting and an impressive reflection, though it might be overkill for casual users. If you're someone who often works with different lighting setups, vlogs, or creates makeup tutorials, this product could be a great addition to your beauty arsenal. If this review was helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so that other beauty enthusiasts can also find this video and learn more about the Beauty ring light. Thank you for watching, and you can find the link to grab yours in the comments box below. If you already own one, feel free to share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, keep glowing, stay beautiful, and remember, it's all about that beautyistic shine.